Welcome. My name is Thomas, and I'm here to share in this video my tax preparation partnership program. And I've been in the industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 as a business owner. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification. So every time I upload a video, go live, you'll be notified with my new content that's constantly coming out. And so this video is for people who either A, have tax preparation experience already, who are ready to level up and start their own tax service, but not sure if they want to do it by themselves. So a partnership agreement is a great way to get started if you can connect with the right person and making that happen. And also, for people looking to start a career in the tax preparation industry who have no skills at all, it's the uniqueness of my mentorship program is that I help people start a tax preparation business regardless if they have skills or no skills. And so that's what separates me from the industry in general and from people out here who talks about how to start your own tax preparation service is where I separate myself from the men from the boys. When it comes to going out here and gathering information on how to start your own tax preparation business, you can just come to one place and make it all that happen for yourself. And that's by partnering up with me or joining my mentorship program for people who already may have their business and even already set up, who needs my experience. Because see, I specialize in helping new business owners level up, get started, and to grow their business and take it to a whole nother level based on their dreams, their goals, and their ambitions. And so if you already have your business, you already have your EFIN number already set up, but you're new in the experience and you still need someone to help guide you through different types of tax returns you're going to run across that you're not familiar with and how to fill them out and prepare them correctly, then you'll still need my services. My program will still definitely be a benefit to help you fast track your success. Because that's what it's really all about. We're in a whole new time and place in this country when it comes to the economy, and now people are able to leverage their skills, their knowledge, their passion, and turn it into a business by leveraging it on the internet in such a way that's going to allow them to make an income from that. This concept is not new. It's been around forever. It's just something that's shifted lately when it comes to the industry, as far as you being able to now take the knowledge, the skills, and the passion you have and turn that into a business for yourself that's going to help you to acquire life-changing income. And so that's where we at right now with the economy and the shift that's taking place. And so if you want to leverage that and take advantage of that and get on that trend that's happening, that's going to help benefit you, because see, you have a whole lot of people come online each and every day, thousands upon thousands upon thousands, Googling and going on YouTube on how to start a business, how to start an online business, what's the most profitable business, all these different words and phrases on how to start a business, how to make money online type situations. But the key is we have a whole group of people who's skillful, knowledgeable, and passionate about something that they can already use and leverage and bring to the internet and turn it into a business. And so my mentor, who I'm learning from, who's taught me how to take the business I already had. I already had a business when I came online in 2014, trying to find a better way to operate my business without spending so much time in the process of doing business, because I started from a traditional brick and mortar situation. And I knew the power of the internet because I used to be on the internet each and every day at home and even at my business on my free time doing a lot of surfing. So I knew the power and opportunity of what the internet can bring. So it was the next logical choice for me was to try to find a way to bring my business to the internet, but I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know nobody who knew how to do it. And so I had to go do my research and find someone who could help me to bring my business to the internet. And so in my search to find someone, I found someone. And so that person has taken her 12 years worth of experience, and her direction has shifted as well inside of her business to now where she helps teach people how to create their own economy. And that's basically you taking what you already have in you. That's going to be the core reason why you make money, and not due to someone else's business opportunity or product or service is the reason why you generate income. But you being able to generate income based off you being the reason for the season. And so with me having tax preparation skills the knowledge, I'm able to leverage that. I'm able to now take that and start my own mentorship business and bring that to the internet. I'm able to take my knowledge, my skills, my insight, my training, and everything I experienced over these last 19 years, the last 13 years as a business owner, and help new people who looking to get started to be able to get started really fast, really simple, by having them go through a process that's guided to help you to be successful without you making the mistakes I made inside of my journey. So I have an ebook that's $47 that has 3 bonuses, and I'm only gonna mention one bonus. And the only bonus I'm gonna mention is 25 done for you tax preparation returns, which is valued at $6,250. And the price of the book alone, that one bonus is worth it. But back to why we're really here. Our tax preparation partnership program is a program designed to help tax preparers who are looking to start their own tax business, who feel more comfortable and confident if they could partner with someone first who has the experience, the training, the insight available that they can leverage to ensure business success. So I'm basically reading off the screen because I wrote it anyway. You know what I'm saying? So this is the opening paragraph to the partnership program. And if I scroll down and talk about the uniqueness of my partnership program, is that it doesn't matter if they have skills or no skills, but they would like to learn and make a career in the tax preparation industry and build a long-term, profitable, sustainable business for themselves. So if that's you, my program can definitely help you get started, fast track your success, and help you to make profits your first season. And the reason I can say that, because I made profit my first season all the way up to the 19th season, and I haven't stopped yet. And so if I can do it for me, I can definitely help you do it, but you got to take action. You got to follow through on the information and the instructions and the actions I'm going to give to you to help you make that happen. And then when we scroll down, the tax preparation partnership program is awesome. The benefits are that if you don't have the skills, the knowledge, or the training to fully invest in yourself with having everything you need to get started, this program is for you. So if you don't have the type of income or money already put to the side to come out the gate with your own income tax service, infrastructure, and all that put together and ready to go, then you can leverage what I've already got established as far as software, third-party bank enrollment, different tools and resources that I use inside my business when it comes to being remotely inclined or virtually inclined to service clients all over the nation. And so that's the benefits of you being in the partnership program. And then this next statement is the investment needed to get started is worth the investment, and your return on your investment will happen in your first season as a new partner inside the tax preparation business, which I just said already. The reason I can say that is based on my 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, and assisting others to do the same with their investments inside the partnership program. And so it speaks for itself. The investment inside the tax preparation partnership program is a one-time payment of $1,997 or 6 payments of $350 a month. And the benefits of the partnership is for the new business owner. The tax software, the third-party bank, the tools and resources are all included with your investment. So I'm using Drake software. We're using a third-party bank. We're either going to do Republic or EPS. DocuSign is the tool I use to send over signature forms where they can sign off on. I might switch that up later and actually use Drake software signature capabilities to make it all happen. I'm not sure, but we want to have more than one way to have clients be able to sign signature pages electronically. Iris.gov is my go-to resource website for all things I need to learn inside the tax preparation industry. Another resource that is designed to fast track your success, you'll have access to through me. And then the tax preparation industry is a career industry for career-minded individuals looking to change their lives and the lives of others and obtain financial freedom and live life on your terms through transforming your life and the lives of others. And so if you're looking to make a change in your life for the better and you want to use that foundation to help to do the same for other people, then you have a worthy purpose and a goal that's going to help you to keep your head up no matter what happens, no matter when times get rough, no matter when things ain't going your way, to being able to look at the big picture Some people ask, what's your why? And so that's a cliche statement. And so I'm reading Think and Grow Rich, and the terminology they're using there, he talked about a burning desire and a purpose that's bigger than your fear, bigger than any excuse that's going to come about your life that you must have in order to be successful. It's really key to that. And Les Brown is another guy I listen to, motivational speaker, also talks about being hungry. You must be hungry for success, because that hunger is going to fuel your way to success. It's going to eat through any situation, good, bad, and different in your life. So, you got to have what it takes to be successful. And if you don't have what it takes to be successful, then you got to be willing to invest in yourself by investing in others who are going to help you to get to where you're trying to go and being successful. And so if I had to invest in myself by investing in someone to help me to get where I want to go, then a logical choice would you need to do the same. Or you can do what I did and trial and error and figure it out on your own and go through the consequences of what that looks like. And you don't want to try that in the tax preparation industry, because this is not one of those industries where you want to learn as you go. You definitely don't want to learn as you go in this industry. When you're dealing with other people's money and information, you don't want to have to learn as you go, because some of these mistakes will be costly that'll put you out of business before you get started. So trust me, let me be your business coach, your tour guide, who's going to take you on a journey that's going to help you to transform your life personally as well as business-wise, because that's what's needed. The transformation you have to take on is going to be what's needed to allow you to be successful in life. Because see, where you're trying to get to, you're not there yet. The person or the woman that you need to be, you're not there yet to get the type of success you say you want to have in your life. That's just the reality of it all. And then you got to have a belief in yourself that, hey, no matter what, I can do it. You know what I'm saying? So many things to this when it comes to being in business and being successful in life, that to get the full package, you know what I'm saying, is what I offer. And so the partnership program is a unique program that allows people to connect with me, get with me. We talk, we see if we're a good fit for another, we see if we're compatible, we see if we have the same morals and character when it comes to doing business, to the point where we can actually do business, because the journey we own, the information we about, is no joke. It's nothing to take lightly. And so I don't want to be with the wrong type of people when it comes to being in business in this industry. And so that's why the partnership program is so awesome, because to start a partnership with someone and to really make that work takes you being able to identify and connect with someone who has some of the characteristics that you already live by, and them having the same characteristics that y'all connect with and bond with and build on. And so, like I said, this partnership program is for people who want to get started, but don't want to get started by themselves, and be able to leverage and use all the tools and resources that I already have in place. Or you might already be the one that has your EFIN business number, your business account, and all that stuff already set up. Well, you still need me because you still new and inexperienced to a whole lot of different things concerning tax preparation, how to set up a tax service, how that should look like, what all the things should be going on the front end as well as the back end. That's where you can let me from. So the whole point is, wherever you're at in your journey, the investments you're going to make, you're going to definitely get your money's worth and some, and a great return on your investment. And I guarantee that in your first season, because that's the type of results I get for myself, and I make sure you get the same. And so if you want to know more and you want to learn more and you're serious about making that move and ready to take action, you can reach me with my contact information that will be inside the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.